Okay, we are now on page 22, and we have some new sign here called a tie. The ties are a little confusing at first because they look exactly like a slur. But the reason it is not a slur is that you'll be connecting two consecutive notes of the exact same pitch. So if you look at the end of the first line here, you'll see a D, a dotted half note D, and then it goes to a dotted half note D in the next measure. And you see what looks just like a slur, but now because there's no other pitches in between the two Ds, we're going to call that a tie. And so that D, you're going to play it for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off. And then we have that again in the last measure on a middle C. So once again, you'll recognize ties because they're the same pitch with nothing in between. And why do we have ties? Mainly to get generally over bar lines, although you can see them within a measure, but they're very often used over a bar line when a composer wants a note to be longer, but there aren't enough beats in that bar to accommodate 6 counts in this case. Okay, we're in middle C position, and left hand is on a G. Left hand only plays a G and a B, so finger 4 and 2. The rest of the piece is all right hand. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D, 2, 3. Tie, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. And walk it down. And here's another tie. 2, 3. 1, 2. Off. So that one was 5 beats long, 3 plus 2, because there's a quarter rest at the end of the measure. So if you're having trouble playing it and counting at the same time, I do recommend tapping in your lap and saying the hands or counting the rhythm. Okay.